Hey guys, it's Israel. Now this is a video only for you. You will not find it anywhere on my YouTube channel. It is a personalized link. I just wanted to let you guys know that I spent weeks creating the most in-depth video I could possibly make on how to get to 10K a month. And like I just said, I spent weeks on it. And as much as it pains me to admit, in all honesty, you could probably just watch this one single video of mine and not have to watch any of my other videos. That's how detailed and that's how in-depth I went on it. So if you were ever on the fence coming across my content on whether or not you want to do this like SaaS online business model, but I kind of didn't give you everything. Now I finally gave you guys everything. Like, I have no secrets left to give you. This is truly everything. I gave you all the resources on how I got to 10K a month, and it's all in this one video. So please consider checking it out. And once you check it out, make sure to save it. This is one video you will want to save because you will have to reference it as the days go on, as the weeks go on, and even as the months go on. It is that in depth. I give you the full blueprint step by step. So be sure to check it out, guys. I put a lot of work into it all for you.